Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Tires on the Road. We're just getting ready to leave the household here. My wife Kim, John, Muggsy. We're heading up to Sand Mountain OHV Park to meet up with some friends who have some sand toys. And it's going to be a fun trip. We're going over the Sierras today. Hopefully we don't hit any snow. About a 4-hour run from here, from Roseville to Sand Mountain. Supporting the new swag today, Tires on the Road. We got to get Muggsy his shirt pretty soon so he can be part of the crowd too. Other than that, hope you enjoy the ride, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so California roads. Be quiet so you can hear it. And then as we cross into Nevada, nice smooth roads. Thank you, Nevada. We just pulled off in Reno at South McCarran and 80 to get some fuel, fill up on some DEF. I filled up just enough when we left Roseville to make it over the hill, so I wasn't hauling all that weight, and plus diesel over here is a little bit less expensive, but not much. Grab a bite to eat, and then we'll be back on Highway 80 heading out to Fernley, getting off there, and then heading over to 50 and out to Fallon and then to Sand Mountain.
Oh, I'm sure it's really good. Put a marshmallow right there in the front. Yeah, diesel. I don't know if he thought that was a water bowl or food or who knows, and I don't think he was thinking. It was cute. Oh, yeah. Come here.
Hey, Muggs.
Yeah.
You got all your buddies out here today. There's Diesel.
Hey, we're
go.
full.
Full.
Oh, my God.
Look at that.
That sounds good.
Oh, you scared of a girlfriend?
He's shy.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Want to be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot.
Thank you guys for watching this episode. Make sure you hit the like button down below and subscribe. Give us a follow. You know, our whole goal here is to inspire, motivate, and help educate, you know, RVers. And it's not really from the standpoint of all the do's and don'ts of RVing. It's about the places you can go and the places that, you know, you can go, and expanding your horizons, just like we did this weekend. We expanded our horizons out to really a true boondocking place. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.